Ever feel exhausted just a few hours after eating? Or find yourself craving sweets even when you are not really hungry? Those energy crashes, mood swings, and brain fog might not be random. They could be signs that your blood sugar is constantly riding a roller coaster, and some of your everyday habits may be making it worse. Today, you will learn 3 simple changes that can support healthier blood sugar levels naturally and help you feel more energized. Blood sugar affects far more than diabetes. When it spikes and crashes repeatedly, you may experience fatigue, cravings, difficulty concentrating, irritability, and increased hunger throughout the day. Over time, these fluctuations can place extra stress on your body's metabolic system. The good news? Small daily habits can make a big difference. First, balance what goes on your plate. Many people focus only on cutting sugar, but that is only part of the story. Fiber-rich vegetables, quality protein, and healthy fats help slow digestion and support steadier blood sugar levels. The more balanced your meals, the more stable your energy. Second, add movement after meals. Intense workouts are not required. Even a short walk after eating can help your muscles use glucose more effectively. Consistency matters more than intensity. Third, prioritize sleep and stress management. You can eat perfectly and still struggle if you are constantly stressed or sleep-deprived. When stress rises, your body releases hormones that may affect blood sugar regulation. Poor sleep can have a similar effect. Improving sleep quality and managing daily stress often support better overall glucose control. Which of these habits do you think would make the biggest difference for you? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more practical wellness tips. And to learn more, check out the full article linked in the description.